You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary and names too many people get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So this is a word that comes from French, and in French it's said as paillette, paillette. So in English it is probably correct and accepted to say paillettes, paillettes, but really it's easy enough to say paillettes, paillettes, and it's way closer to French. So paillettes is not incorrect, but because it's the more English way of saying it, but paillettes is way closer to the French, so paillettes is a lot better. Please, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching, I'll see you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.